America by Sidecar here, and today we're talking about the Sidecar turn signal rock guard sold by Hemisphere Offroad. You can find out more about it at hemisphereoffroad.com. Here's what you're going to need for install. You're going to need an Allen key and you're going to need a screwdriver. You might also need a pair of scissors in case you have to cut the gasket, which we'll talk about in a minute. Step 1, take out the two bottom screws that hold your lens reflector in place. You don't technically have to remove the center one, but if you need to trim the gasket, you're going to have to remove the whole lens reflector. Be advised that the lens reflector has two pieces. If you pinch it together, you can stay in place. Now here you see the gasket, and it covers the holes that you're going to need to put the longer extended bolt. I trimmed a little bit off. Once I did that, I was able to put the two screws back at the bottom. Make sure that you have the center screw assembled first. You put them by hand, tighten them with an Allen key, and you're good to go. As of this recording, it's going to run you $46.20 per rock guard. They're also stocked and sold from the US, so shipping is fast. Thanks for watching.